public's not allowed inside.
Excuse me, sir, but I'm in trouble.
Reze.
I need a big, strong man to help. An awful devil's trying to kill me.
You're sure smiling a lot for somebody who's under attack.
No, it's a trick.
Yeah, I know. Kato! Tanabe! I'm buying dinner for whoever kills this girl. Don't mistake her for human. Assume she's a devil.
Shoot, my damsel in distress act didn't work. What a shame. Now I've got no choice. I'm going to have to kill everyone.